Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be talking about SAP Quality Management Tables, that is QM tables. So we would be looking at all the database tables related to SAP QM. So let's start. So if you talk about the master data tables in the QM process, we have very important tables like QPAM, which is the inspection catalog of selected sets. We have QPMK for inspection characteristics master. We have QPMT for master inspection characteristics text. We have QPMZ master inspection characteristics MIC. We have QMAT inspection type for material parameters. Next, if we talk about QM inspection plan, we have the very important table PLKO, that is inspection plan header. We have MAPL material assignment. We have PLMK inspection plan characteristics. Now if we talk about the SAP QM procurement, we have QINF, very important table for QM information record for material and vendor. And if we talk about the results recording in the QM process, we have the table TQ70, which is the control table for results recording. Next, if we want to track the defect recording in QM, we have TQ84 for the confirmation profile. We have TQ84T for the text for the confirmation profile. If we talk about user's decision for QM, we have TQ06 for calculating the quality score. We have TQ06T for the language specific test for TQ06, and we have QAMB, which is the QM link rather, between inspection lot and the material document. So these were the very important tables which are there in the quality management process. So in the next video, we will be going inside the SAP system to check each and every tables, and also we will find out what are the important fields which are there in these tables. So that is all in this video. If you got value from this video, do like, comment and share with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or feedback, share them in the comment section below. Till we meet again next time, you all take care and goodbye.